You're sitting at your desk on a Monday morning. You've got a team meeting in 10 minutes, 47 unread emails, and a blank screen where your project update should be. You sip your coffee, open your laptop, and stare blankly at your screen. Do you start tackling emails at random? Do you rewrite the same email 5 times trying to explain why your project is behind schedule? Or do you get smart and ask AI for help? If you're a manager juggling too many responsibilities, here's some good news. You've got a secret productivity weapon right at your fingertips. While most of us have tried ChatGPT by now, only 1 in 5 people use it daily at work. This means you can gain an edge over your colleagues by mastering how to use it as a manager. In this video, we'll share 5 powerful tips to turn ChatGPT into your management sidekick, helping you become more efficient and effective while still maintaining your personal touch. Tip 1. Plan your day like a pro. Let's be honest, half the battle of being productive is figuring out what to focus on. Instead of staring at your to-do list in panic, open ChatGPT and ask, "Help me plan my day based on these meetings and tasks." Feed it to your calendar, priorities, and personal reminders, and it'll organize everything into a focused game plan. Think of it as your personal productivity coach. Tip 2. Write emails that don't take all day. Need to write a delicate email to a difficult client or draft quick responses to common team questions? Just type in your instructions and some context, and ChatGPT can draft your first version in seconds. For example, you could say, "Write a friendly team update about this week's progress on Project XYZ. Here's some of the key info to include." You'll still want to tweak it, of course, but you're no longer starting from a blank page, and that's a massive time saver. Bonus tip, you can also use it to rewrite emails you've already drafted, making your communication clearer and more confident. Tip 3. Prep for tricky conversations. One of the hardest parts of being a manager is saying the right thing when the conversation gets tough. Maybe you need to give constructive feedback or talk to an employee about missed deadlines. Try asking ChatGPT, "Help me prepare for a conversation with a team member who's missing deadlines." ChatGPT can help you role-play a conversation that's respectful and thoughtful, letting you experiment with different approaches. It won't replace your personal touch, but it will give you a head start and help you prepare. Tip 4. Brainstorm ideas without the whiteboard. Need creative input for how to kick off a team workshop, campaign, or off-site? You don't have to wait for a brainstorming meeting. Try this prompt instead. "Give me 10 creative ideas for an icebreaker activity that doesn't suck." It's like having a judgment-free brainstorming buddy. No bad ideas, no awkward silences, just lots of possibilities. You can even vary the answers by giving it more context on what you want to achieve, or by telling it how long the activity should last. Once you've got a few sparks, you can build from there and make them your own. Tip 5. Summarize meetings like a pro. Ever leave a meeting with scribbled notes and zero clarity on what to do next? ChatGPT's got your back. Paste in a Zoom meeting transcript or your own notes and say, "Summarize these meeting notes and create an action plan with owners and deadlines." ChatGPT will turn them into a clean, actionable document you can share with your team. You'll save time, and everyone will know exactly what they need to do to keep the project moving. You can even ask it to format the notes in different ways for different audiences. For example, you could create detailed notes for team members and executive summaries for leadership. Finally, remember that being a great manager isn't about doing everything. It's about focusing on what matters most. ChatGPT isn't here to replace your management skills. It's here to enhance them. Think of it as your Swiss Army knife for productivity. The more you use it, the more ways you'll discover to make your work life easier. The key is to be really specific in your requests, add context, and to keep iterating if the first response isn't quite what you wanted. And if you want to level up your management skills further, watch this next video on how to build high-performing teams.